Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. This is my first seal brand new Bearbrick, and this is the Minion's Dave. This is the chrome version. I just got this from a Carousel reseller. I actually pre-booked a couple of Bearbricks last year, but all the shipments are delayed until this year. And I've purchased a few Bearbricks. So this is not my first Bearbrick, but this is my first seal Bearbrick, and I'm going to show you what's inside. And I'm a bit worried because a lot of Bearbrick collectors tell me that I could get manufacturer defect. So let's open this and let's see how it looks like. So let me show you the box. This is the box, and it is brand new and sealed. So what I was told is to look for the bottom, and this is how it looks like because there's quite a number of fake Bearbrick out there. So one of the indication is to check out the hologram. Let's open this for the first time. I'm just going to cut this. Okay. Whoa. Look at the chrome, guys. So let's take out the 100%. Wow. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so this looks really good. Put it back. I'm looking for defects. So far it's okay. Ooh. So it's chrome, and at the bottom this is the two logos that the fake couldn't do. So this is the two logos that significantly the fake Bearbricks doesn't have. There's a bit of scratch here. Yeah, there's a bit of stain here. So other than that, there's no major defect. Everything looks good. This one is really tight. So everything looks okay. So this is my first chrome Bearbrick and seal Bearbrick. So how to check the whether it's real or fake, I'm going to show you guys right now. So basically the joints is one of the criteria. This is really tight. The other one I have is not that tight. And over here, this is the official Bearbrick print. Okay, this is one of the ways to see it, and there's not much defect on this. So I'm pretty happy, and I'm going to use a cloth to wipe this later. So this is my first seal Bearbrick unboxing video. It looks amazing. Not much of defects, just a bit of stain. Looks amazing. So this is like my first chrome Bearbrick and seal Bearbrick unboxing video. I'm going to put it back and make sure it's in good hands. I'm going to wipe it with a dry cloth later. So I have shown you guys how to check the Bearbrick, whether this is a real or fake Bearbrick. And I know there's a lot of people has many Bearbricks, probably hundreds and thousands. This is like my first one. So I am a slow starter. I just started on Bearbrick.
just join the Bearbrick family. I really like this one, so this is like really different from the usual Bearbrick without chrome. So thanks for watching everyone. Finally I have a chrome Bearbrick, and this is my first video on Bearbrick. I hope you guys like my video. I'll be doing more Bearbrick videos. If you guys like it, please do comment. If you have any questions. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching everyone. This is my first seal brand new Bearbrick. This is the Minion Chrome game.